Morning children. So today we are going to continue future tense. Okay? This is my second video, one I have already completed. So all of you open page number 111 and 112 of your grammar. પછી બીજી books ખોલીને ના બેસતા. Huh? See. Now we will continue. Now today will be future perfect tense form. Now forms you have to learn by heart. They are like mathematics only. Maths ma kevi રીતે tables કરો like this you have to learn this. We use will have, shall have plus past participle form of the verb to express an action in the future perfect tense. This tense is generally used with the time expression beginning with by that time, by next week or by next month. I shall have completed my project by afternoon. The gymnast will have performed in the stadium by evening. The use of future perfect tense is explained in the table given at the beginning of the chapter. Now here sir, fill in the blanks with verbs in the future perfect tense. Okay? We hope that the sky will have cleared. Cleared. The third tense is the past participle. By the time we set out on our journey. Second, the clown will have performed at the circus before the acrobats come in. Then third one, the tailor will have stitched her dress by tomorrow. The woodcutter will have cut. Now see children, the forms of cut is cut. Okay? Logs of wood before night sets in. Now future perfect continuous tense form. We use will or shall plus have been plus ing form of the verb to express an action in the future perfect continuous tense. Okay, ing form means your main verb plus ing. Yeah, for example here write. Yeah, now write, wrote, written. Okay, these are your tenses. This is the verb, past tense, past perfect. Now you want to use it in the ing form means you have to take the first verb. WRIT is there, omit e kadi nakho, ing. Yeah, of the verb to express an action in the future perfect continuous tense. Use of future perfect continuous tense. It is used to denote a continuous action with reference to something in future. It expresses an action that will begin at a particular time in future, will continue up to the moment and will be in progress at that moment. He will have been walking on his own by the time the physiotherapist teaches him all the exercises. She will have been baking Christmas cakes much before her friends start preparing for the approaching festival. Now read this conversation between Mr. Nagpal and the swimming coach. Mr. Nagpal, when will my son come out of the pool? Coach, he will swim for another half an hour. Mr. Nagpal, he will have been swimming for 2 hours by the time he comes out. Means when he will come out, it will be 2 hours will be completed. And will be very tired. Now fill in the blanks with appropriate verb forms in the future perfect continuous tense. Okay? They will have been preparing for their entrance examinations for 1 week before they fill their forms. My friends will have been watching a movie before they leave for shopping. The college fest will have been going on for many days before the exam schedule is announced. Okay? This all I have read for you. You have to read at home and you have to fill all this in neat and clean handwriting. Now rewrite the following sentences as per the guidelines given in brackets. Now children, here you put 3 stars I'll be asking you this in exam. 3 stars karo aaya. Neha will join the English Academy soon. Future continues. Neha will be joining the English Academy soon. Then I will give you my textbook by next week. The future perfect will have given. This Tuesday will be a holiday. This Tuesday is going to be a holiday. Future perfect. Meena will be sitting in meditation for 2 hours. Meena will have been sitting in meditation for 2 hours. Future perfect continues. These tenses you have to learn by heart. Okay? Now our last page. So we will be completing our chapter 14. She will make her bed after brushing her teeth. She will be baking. They will pluck. So they will have plucked. Okay? Now read the following sentences which indicate Neha's plans to become an astronaut. Fill in the blanks with appropriate forms of verbs given in brackets in different forms of future tense. The tense form is mentioned with each sentence. Now here tense forms are given. And I have filled it for you. So you will all have to fill like this with neat and clean small writing and clean writing. Okay? And in negative sentences, we use not after shall or will in the simple future tense. I shall not pay you a visit. Mother will not go to office tomorrow. I will not go to the doctor's clinic today. An interrogative sentence is formed with will, shall plus subject plus root verb. Will she leave for Goa tomorrow? Shall I help you? Now rewrite the following sentences in negative and interrogative forms. This we have done lots of sentences. I've given all the answers here, you will have to copy. In this passage also, I filled for you, and you will also fill and start learning for your exams. Okay? Okay, bye children.